Can't say no more, baby. Putting out his case with Missing You. I also played you Drew Hill, Besithi ke bona ke Love We Had Stays on My Mind. 14 imizuzu. In fact, masenze be-15 ngoku ibethile intsimbi ka-11 o'clock. Enkosi Khaya, siyabulela kakhulu ngeendaba zika-11 o'clock. Utshilo wathi indaba ziyabuya ngentsimbi yokuqala. Sabe singena kwiyure. Sabe sesingekho in fact thina ngoku kodwa usiya uzabe khona yena. Ngoku we talk all things education noLindelwa Mahlalela, and I want winning South African entrepreneur and founder of Lee Connect, an app helping learners access university and bursary opportunities across South Africa. Namhlanje ke sakuthetha ngokubaluleka kokukhokelwa kwabafundi xa bekhetha amakhono omsebenzi, amathuba emfundo kwanendlela yokulungiselela ikamva labo. Le incoko ke ebalulekileyo kakhulu ingakumbi kubafundi nabazali, ulwazi olunceda ekwakheni ikamva elingcono. Khona ke yena ke simbambe via Zoom. Ma'am, good morning and thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Enkosi kakhulu wethu Lindelwa ngokwenza ixesha nathi namhlanje. Firstly, I want you to tell us more about the Lee Connect app.
Okay, so Lee Connect is an app that shows learners which courses they qualify for and in which institutions. We also have career guidance where we let learners try out our career quiz so that they can find out which courses they are passionate about and where their interests lie. So we basically are bridging the gap to giving more learners in access to information and resources so that they can make the right career choices and further their studies.
Thank you so much. Now let's go back to umba esicokola ngawo namhlanje, because namhlanje samukhangela into yobana kubaluleke kangakanani na into yobana ke umntu owenza ugrade 12 okanye umzali onomntana owenza ugrade 12 at this particular moment abe uzayijonga ngelinye iliso okanye ngeliso lokhozi indlela okanye ke laa nto sibiza kobana i-career guidance. Ibaluleke kangakanani Lindelwa ubana umntu owenza ugrade 12 ngoku abe uzazi-athenda i-career guidance so that zizakwazi uba mhlawumbi zimbuild for ingomso?
Yes. No, it is very important because I believe that many learners have the potential, they have the knowledge, but they lack direction and information. So career guidance, ibasita ukuthi ba-understand ama-strengths abo and to choose the right subject and explore career opportunities. It also helps them to prepare for life after matric, because I genuinely believe that without guidance, many learners will make uninformed decisions or miss out on very important opportunities.
Lindelwa, you've just said that it helps them to make better decisions for their future. I just want you to tell us to go back to the Lee Connect. So if I'm doing grade 12 or I have a child that is currently doing grade 12 at this particular moment, so niqala njani ukumncedisa nithini? Okay, here is the child, where do we start?
Okay. So normally, if a child is already in grade 12 or most of them have completed grade 12, we will first require the grade 11 final report, because that's the report that most universities use. And then with the app, they will put their marks on the app, and then it will show them which courses they qualify for and in which universities. We are helping them to be aware of the marks that they currently have, because there is certain pressures from society and our parents that you must do this specific course, you must do teaching, you must be a doctor. But when you look at the marks of the learner, they are not aligned with the requirements that they want in university. So in our app, we help them understand and know that with the marks that I have now, this is what I qualify for. And if I want a course that requires higher marks, I need to work hard. So it also gives them motivation to work harder on what they want.
Oh, because I was about to ask you, if now I want to do medicine, but I don't qualify for that, what do you guys nenza ntoni in order for, in terms of assisting based on that? But you've already responded to that. Indima yomzali oyinxalenye yemfundo yomntana ibaluleke kangakanani, Lindelwa?
Very important. It's very important because I believe that for a child to believe in themselves, it has to start at home and at school. The environment that they are in create a very positive outlook on what they want to be. Because parents
Mm.
should not put pressure on learners. They must understand what their kids want to do and why they want to do those things. Because I remember I think I was one of those learners where ekhaya bebafuna ukuthi ngibe doctor, and I was not passionate about maths and science.
Oh.
I was passionate about business. I was passionate about education. So it's being open-minded as a parent and having honest conversations with your children, and children being honest with parents that no, mama, angifuni ukuyenda le nto le. This is what I want, and here's
Yeah.
why.
Let's talk about strengths and weaknesses because this is something that is very much important. Kubaluleke kangakanani into yobana umfundi okanye umntu mhlambi they've already completed their grade 12 makwi-gap year ngoku, but they are planning to go back to school next year. Ibaluleke kangakanani into yobana uzazi strengths and your interest, your weaknesses before choosing a career?
It's very important. It's very important because the career you choose will also determine the working environment that you are going to be in. If you are passionate about kids, if you're passionate about education, you're going to be in a classroom with learners on a daily basis, right? There is a quote that I love that says, you have to do what you love so that you don't feel like you are working in a day of your life. So it's very important
Yeah.
to identify what you're good at. And we also have the career quiz on the LeConnect app where learners can choose what they want. And then at the end, it will show you which stream you are really passionate about.
I love that. That is so very much great. For based on your experience, ne, I
Yeah.
want you to, would you advise me to choose a career based on imali, or would you advise me to choose a career based on a passion?
Mhm. I'd advise you to choose a career based on passion. You know, a passion is the fire and the spark that is within you. You know, you don't even feel like you are working when you are doing something that you're passionate about.
Yeah.
Because now, when you do something for money, you become exhausted, you become irritated, you become
Very.
frustrated with small things that you really have to do. So, doing something that you love would bring out other skills in you that you were destined for. So, I always advise my learners to choose what they are passionate about.
What they are passionate about. I love that. Thank you so much. Why I'm asking, I'm asking this question because of what you've already said. Njobana kowenu babesithi yenze medicine. How
Mm.
can we create a safe space as parents when it comes to lendo ye career yomntana singamfakeli umntana i-pressure? Okay, nangu umntana ngoku ufakelwe pressure at home yobana no, we want you to be a teacher because if you go to school and do marketing
Yeah.
uzawufumana njani umsebenzi, more especially abantu abasezilalini because they are not familiar with ezinye zezinto. Thina ezilalini siyazi into yobana once you pass grade 12 it's either
Yeah.
wenza i-nursing or uyokwenza education, uzawuba ngutishala or uzawuba ligqwetha okanye uzawuba ngugqirha. That's it, it ends there. So
Yeah.
see, how do we create a safe space as parents and to make sure into yobana abantwana sibafakeli pressure yobana ba-end up besenza izinto abangafuni uzenza, and wena ke ngoku as umntana mhlawumbi odicide uthatha i-gap year esikolweni because of i-pressure from abazali, how do you deal with lo pressure yakho ingachaphazeli indlela ozawukhetha ngayo i-future yakho ngomso?
Yes. So I think that with access to information and being well aware and well informed as parents, it will give them an opportunity to have open-minded conversations with the learners. You know, when a child comes and says, "Mama, I mean, I want to be a journalist." As a parent, you have to be open-minded on what the career entails and where they could work. And I think also as learners, we have to educate our parents. We have to let them know about what's happening around the world because the world is changing rapidly.
Yeah.
Learners should explore both traditional and modern careers beyond medicine, teaching, and law. because there are growing opportunities in technology, entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and content creation. So as a learner, I have to come back home. Let's say I have my mother who does not understand content creation and how content creation can ever be a career. I have to
Yeah.
come with the knowledge that I have acquired and let them know and try to see things from my perspective. Because if we are in spaces where we share knowledge and are open-minded, it's going to be easier to learn about what other options are there for learners.
Mm. Last but certainly not least, I want you to tell us about into yobana see access kanjani Connect for if mhlambi I want to be mentored in terms of choosing career, and last words to someone who is listening at home at this particular moment, more especially abo bakwi-gap year, they are still trying to navigate because it's May now, June kuzawuqala kuvulwa application. So they want to go back to school next year, but they are not sure into yobana bakhethe ntoni na at this particular moment.
Okay. So the LeConnect app is available on all the platforms, App Store, App Gallery, and iStore. So you can download it there and put your grade 12 or grade 11 final results so that you can see which courses you qualify for. And
All
then
right.
for a child that's sitting at home and maybe has lost hope even on where they want to go or where their dreams are, I'd like to say that your dreams are valid. Do not allow your circumstances to limit your vision. Seek information, work hard, ask for help when needed, and never stop believing in your potential because everyone is destined for greater things.
Oh, Lindelo, thank you so much. Siyabuleka kakhulu ngexesha lakho sisibone mani mani.
Thank you so much. Thank you.